Come test drive the 2023 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third row seating. Come take a test drive today.